You didn't gain weight. Your clothes still fit. The scale hasn't moved. But somehow you look bigger, softer, and less athletic than you did 2 years ago. Here's what actually happened. Your posture collapsed. And collapsed posture doesn't just hurt your back. It physically changes how your entire body looks. It compresses your torso, pushes your belly forward, rounds your shoulders inward, and adds the visual appearance of 20 extra pounds that don't even exist. The worst part? Most people fix the wrong thing. They start doing more cardio. They cut calories. They blame the food. Meanwhile, the actual problem is something that takes less than 10 minutes a day to correct. Think about what happens when you sit at a desk for 8 hours. Your hip flexors tighten and pull your pelvis forward. Your lower back arches unnaturally. Your upper back rounds. Your head drifts forward like it's trying to read something 6 inches closer than it is. Now you're standing, but your body is still shaped like a question mark. And here's what that does visually. Rounded shoulders make your chest disappear. Forward head makes your neck look short and thick in the wrong way. Anterior pelvic tilt, which is the fancy term for your pelvis tilting forward, pushes your stomach outward even when there's no fat there. Your whole silhouette changes. Studies show that people with poor posture are consistently rated as less fit, less confident, and less healthy than people with identical body composition who simply stand differently. Same body, completely different appearance, just from how you hold it. Here is exactly what is happening inside your body right now if you've been sitting for most of your day. Your hip flexors, the muscles connecting your spine to your thighs, are in a shortened position for hours every single day. Over time, they stop releasing fully. They stay tight, and tight hip flexors yank your pelvis forward, which pushes your lower belly out and exaggerates your lower back curve. At the same time, your glutes, your most powerful muscle group, basically go to sleep. They stop firing properly. Weak glutes mean nothing is pulling your pelvis back into neutral alignment. Up top, your chest muscles get tight from hunching forward. Your upper back muscles get long and weak from being stretched all day. This imbalance is why your shoulders roll forward and your chest caves in. Your body is not broken. It has just adapted perfectly to the position you put it in most often. Change the position, and your body adapts again. That's the whole plan. 3 movements, under 10 minutes. Do these daily and your posture changes within 2 weeks. Movement 1, hip flexor stretch. Get into a lunge position. Right knee on the ground, left foot forward. Now push your hips forward slightly until you feel a stretch in the front of your right hip. Hold 30 seconds. Switch sides. This directly counteracts the tightening that happens from sitting. Think of it as undoing 8 hours of desk damage in 30 seconds per side. Do this every single morning before anything else. Movement 2, glute bridge. Lie flat on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Drive your hips up toward the ceiling by squeezing your glutes hard at the top. Hold 2 seconds. Lower slowly. Repeat 15 times. 3 sets. This wakes up your glutes, which have been completely switched off all day. Active glutes pull your pelvis back into neutral position. When your pelvis is neutral, your belly pulls inward, your lower back straightens, and you immediately look leaner without losing a single pound. Movement 3, wall angel. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Feet about 6 inches from the wall. Press your lower back, upper back, and head all against the wall simultaneously. Now raise your arms into a goalpost position. Elbows bent at 90 degrees, hands up. Slowly slide your arms up the wall like you're making a snow angel. Keep everything in contact with the wall the entire time. This is harder than it sounds. That difficulty is your upper back muscles waking up after weeks of being stretched and ignored. Do 10 slow reps, 3 sets. This exercise alone will change the way your shoulders sit within 14 days. 3 movements, 10 minutes, every single day. Your posture collapsed gradually over months or years of sitting. It will not fix itself in a week, but it will start showing visible changes in 2 weeks if you are consistent. The people around you will notice before you do. You will stand taller. Your shoulders will pull back. Your chest will open up. Your stomach will flatten without a single sit-up. And you will look like you lost 15 to 20 pounds without changing your diet or your training. That is not a trick. That is just your actual body finally being allowed to stand the way it was designed to. Zero gym, zero excuses. Just results. Drop a comment if your posture has been suffering. Subscribe to Zero Gym Fit because your body is capable of a lot more than bad habits have been letting it show.